This one now is a solution for question 6 part 2 in the mock quiz as well. It's an expand and simplify question. So basically I'm saying expand means to multiply out, so when I multiply out the brackets, and simplify means to collect like terms. Have a wee note over here then, whenever we are multiplying out, keep in mind every term inside your bracket has to be multiplied by the term outside the bracket. So if we look at our very first bracket here, we've got 3x plus 4 inside the brackets, two terms inside the bracket, and each of those terms has to be multiplied by that 2. So I'll expand that bracket first of all. I'll just show on my arrows on there what I'm going to do. Whenever I get to this bracket, I've got an x plus 3, so I've two terms on there, and they both have to be multiplied by that 3. And we need to take care here because there's a negative sign in front of that 3. So if I multiply out my first bracket, 2 times 3 x's, 2 times 3 is 6, so that's 6 x's, and 2 times 4, 2 4s are 8. So that's my first bracket expanded. The second bracket then, remember that you're multiplying by a negative 3. If you see one negative, it's going to go negative. Double negatives, remember, will bring you back to positive. So negative 3 times x, so 3 times x is 3x, as we say, that's negative. And then 3 times 3, 3 3s are going to give us 9. And if we multiply a negative number by a positive number, a negative and a positive will stay negative. Remember, a negative and a positive, if you multiply them, will give you a negative result. But a negative multiplied by another negative will give you a positive result. So remember that as well. So that's the multiplying out done. That's the blue bit done. Now what we want to do is collect our like terms. First thing I'm going to circle there is my 6 x's. And now I need a term that's like that. I need another x term, and it's 3 x's here. So I'm going to circle that, including the sign in front of it, because it's telling me how to collect them. So 6 x's, take away 3 x's, will leave us with 3 x's. And then my other terms then are just the numbers. I have the number 8, take away 9. So 8 take away 9 brings me down to negative 1. That's that one there done. We'll make up another wee one now that you can practice. Let's say we'll do 4 upon 5x plus 3, take away 2 upon x plus 2. And what we want to do there is also expand and simplify. So the first thing you're going to do is multiply out your first bracket, multiply out your second bracket. So I've gone ahead and multiplied out. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. 2 times x is 2x, 2 2s are 4. And I've noted as well, I've multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 2 will give me negative 4. Now all I want to do is simplify. So that means I have to collect my like terms. I'm going to circle up my x's. They're in pink. And then I'm going to circle the numbers. That's the ones in green. And I'll collect them to get my final answer. So there we have it. 20 x's take away 2 x's leaves you with 18 x's, and 12 take away 4 leaves you with 8. That's that one finished.